Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So so welcome to my vlog. So today we're gonna play this. So you see this on my YouTube channel, and I vlogged this maybe 2 times. Yeah. So come on, let's open it. So this is the quick push. Yeah, it's I think it's a rabbit, or I don't know. It's a rabbit, maybe. So this is like a um pop it, but this is quick push. So hey guys, do you know cute emo Athena? Sorry for the noise, okay? This looks like familiar, right? So guys, so um do you know cute emo Athena? So looks familiar. Yeah, if you don't know that, search cute emo Athena. Yeah, search that, cute emo Athena. So I'm helping her for vlogging, and we're just playing and vlogging, and just search cute emo Watina, and search my vlog at Angela Ganda. So that Ganda is Filipino word. So I'm Filipino. I'm just gonna, so Filipino word, that's ganda, because ganda means beautiful. And let's play this. I'm just gonna, you know, this memory mode, Mori mode, multiplayer mode, stage mode. So let's try with no sounds. When I play this, I'm just level 11. Yeah, 13 and 14 and 15. Oh, 16. I'm level 16 when I play this. So I'm not good at English a little bit. But my cousin helped me to Kia and cute emo Athena. So there's 2. No, 3. I'm gonna I'm not gonna say the other one, because I don't want to. So I'm always telling you that this looks familiar. The background looks familiar. That one right there. So these two, the bags right there. So I vlogged this. Once again, I vlogged this in my YouTube channel. This is searching for fidget toys. Yeah, and TikTok too. My name in TikTok is Jopiel Angela. That's a Filipino word too. All. So look guys, when I put my and push this, it will stick. Wait. If you do like that, it will stick on your palm. It's like that. I'm not doing anything, okay? It's sticking. So I'm gonna. So guys, if you're telling me that how old I am, I'm turning 9 and September 9. But right now, I am 8 and I'm gonna turn 9 in September 9. So everyone's telling me that everything's that I vlog is everything on my TikTok account too. So it's fair. So that it's fair. And everyone's telling me to eat my cousin is YouTuber and TikToker. Yes. I'm YouTuber too and I'm TikToker too. But I always post on TikTok and YouTube. I always post on shorts and just shorts and on TikTok. Everything short, yeah, all short in there, and a lot of vlogs, video, and some is short, TikTok, and maybe on YouTube, maybe short, all short and one video. Yes, one video. I think two. This is for two. And sorry guys, I'm just like that because cute imo Athena just messaged me. So this is my own phone. This is my own channel. This is my own channel, my own phone, my own vlog. So thank you for watching. I always do that. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. I like that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you for all of your support. Thank you for the like, subscribe. So, bye bye.